Welcome to Vedic Astrology classes, session 8. Till now, we have studied a number of characteristic properties of planets like ranks, directions, varnas, genders, elements, tridoshas, colors, metals, stones, vegetation, human relationships, and many more. In current session, we shall discuss about an important aspect of planets, their natural behavior. Before further discussion, I would like to introduce certain important facts. We all know that the shape of moon changes continuously from full moon to new moon and from new moon to full moon. These two periods are known as Krishna Paksh and Shukla Paksh respectively. These periods of increasing moon and decreasing moon play important role in Vedic astrology. First we shall discuss about Krishna Paksh. Krishna Paksh is a period of 15 days which begins on full moon day known as Purnima and culminates on new moon day known as Amavasya. Krishna Paksh is also referred as the period of fading moon or decreasing moon or waning moon, as moon keeps decreasing during this period and on Amavasya moon is not visible. Shukla Paksh is also a period of 15 days which begins on new moon day, that is on Amavasya, and culminates on full moon day, which is Purnima. Shukla Paksh is also referred as the period of brightening moon or increasing moon or waxing moon, as moon keeps increasing during this period and on Purnima we observe full moon. Rahu and Ketu. Rahu and Ketu have entirely different meanings in astronomy and astrology. In astronomy, Rahu and Ketu are the north and south lunar nodes. They denote the points of intersection of the paths of the sun and the moon as they move on the celestial sphere. In Vedic astrology, Rahu and Ketu are two non-existent planets, as we have discussed earlier. Rahu represents the front portion of the snake's body and Ketu the lower portion. They never exist together and are always at 180 degrees from each other. Have a look at this example to understand the positioning of Rahu and Ketu in a horoscope. Ketu always exists in the 7th house from the position of Rahu. Ketu is always positioned at 180 degree from Rahu. Always remember this and take note of this fact. Natural benefic and malefic planets, Naisargik Shubh and Pap Grihas. Some planets are natural benefics. They are known as Shubh Grihas in Vedic astrology. They have a natural tendency to do good, and others are natural malefics known as Pap Grihas. Their tendency is to do harm. But the behavior of a planet changes temporarily on the basis of its position in a horoscope. A natural benefic can be temporarily malefic, and a natural malefic can act like a benefic for a particular birth chart. We shall discuss this in detail in further sessions. Sun, Mars and Saturn are natural malefics, Pap Grihas. Mercury, Jupiter and Venus are natural benefics, Shubh Grihas. Mercury is a benefic if positioned alone, but it changes its behavior if it is positioned with some other planet. If Mercury is placed with a malefic, it behaves like a malefic. If Mercury is positioned with a benefic planet, it behaves like a benefic. Moon also has dual behavior. Increasing moon is benefic, and decreasing moon is malefic. Rahu and Ketu, they also behave differently. If they are positioned with a malefic, they behave like a malefic. And if they are positioned with a benefic, they behave like a benefic. Always remember, Rahu and Ketu never exist together. They are always at a distance of 180 degrees from each other. To know more about planets, please watch Vedic Astrology classes, session 9.